So today we're going to show you 3 settings, that's 4, 3 settings you should turn off on your Firestick when you're using it. Whether you've got a new Firestick, whether you're a regular user of your Firestick, whether you've been a Firestick user or Fire TV user for years. These 3 settings are ones you should turn off to make sure it works great and it stops anyone tracking what you're doing, things like this. We're going to go into it and we may even chuck a bonus one in at the end. Okay, before we do that though, if you can, depending on when you're watching this, but Happy New Year for when I'm recording it. Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to 2024. This is the channel to follow if you're into streaming, so do hit that subscribe button. We will bring you everything Firestick, streaming, movie apps, Nvidia Shield, Android TV, all streaming content and your news on one channel. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to show you these 3 settings, which I really recommend turning off. The first one is really important. So what we're going to do, we're going to go across to our settings. You're going to go into preferences, and in here the first one you need to do is look in your privacy settings, because there's a cookie consent and they turn that off, which allows the use of cookies, device identifiers and similar tools to enhance your advertising experience on this Fire TV device. Okay, so what that means is they will keep your cookies of what you do, they will use it for theirs, and they also send it to other devices, like other applications, so they can use your cookies as well. So they're pretty much getting rid of your data, so you want to turn that one off. While you're in here, I'd make sure all 4 of these are off. Okay, there's a little extra there. They should all be off. This, sometimes they turn back on when you update your settings or anything like that, so I'll get them turned off. Okay, another one which you would like to do within here is featured content. So what you have is this here is an advert, and it plays like a video if you have it turned on. Let me show you. So in your preferences, you've got featured content. If these are on, when you highlight over this, it starts playing a video like that instead of just a normal advert. What that would be doing is using up the RAM of your device, your data. It'd be using your RAM. It'd be using your resources of your device. And the last thing you want is that playing and then trying to open an app and too much is going on at once. And it comes on bloody loud as well. So what you do, you go to settings, in preferences, under featured content, allow video autoplay. You turn them off and off, okay? Then, when you go over this advert, even if you click by mistake, nothing plays. They are just adverts like this. So it's one of the best settings to change again, because there's nothing worse than that one. Okay, and another one, finally. In your settings, go to My Fire TV, and if you haven't already, click on About, and then click the name of your device 7 times, okay? Where mine is a Fire TV Stick 4K Max, click that 7 times, and what will happen is you will get developer options. Those developer options will appear on your device, so once you've got developer options, you can have ADB debugging and install unknown apps. ADB debugging, I would recommend actually keeping it turned off unless you're using a mouse toggle or unless you're installing an app, because you don't need apps making connections or networks, anything like that, while you don't want it to. So I'll keep it off unless you're installing, okay? And also on Install Unknown Apps, make sure it's turned on only for apps which download applications like Downloader. Okay, that was my 3, which I think is a must-do for 2024, but I'm going to tell you one more. One which is my pet hate. In your settings, under Display and Audio, then under Audio, you have navigation sounds. Let me just turn it on for you. So navigation sounds, and what you hear, do you hear that clicking? It's one of the most annoying sounds on a Fire Stick. Yeah? So what you can do is turn that navigation sounds off. You can thank me later for that one. Brilliant. Hopefully that was all really useful for you. Remember, again, if you're new here, we've got closing in on 600,000 followers, all about your streaming. There's plenty of videos on there, so do check them out for me. Enjoy them, hit those like buttons, hit those comments. And a quick word from one of our partners before we do leave. If you are after a VPN, we talk about your security and the settings you should change. A VPN is very good for protection of your Fire TV, whether it's connecting to foreign servers so you can access different content, whether it's keeping your data safe. IPVanish is one of the cheapest. They have great offers and it's linked directly underneath for you as well in the description and the pinned comment. Brilliant. So I've been Dr. Squiffy. Happy New Year to everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.